Design, and I am excited to share my September Button Farm Club project with you. This is a gorgeous Christmas album made with Cartabella Farmhouse Christmas, which is just such a charming collection. We're going to be using a graphic 45 mixed media album for our base, which this beautiful red cover and the red pocket pages inside. It's perfect for the holidays. So what will you get in this kit? You will get not one, but two collections from Echo Park. The first is the Cartabella Christmas Farmhouse collection, which comes with the stickers, and then you will also get Christmas delivery. So that is 24 double-sided 12 by 12 papers, which is amazing. You will also get the Echo Park My Favorite Christmas solid cardstocks to use for our matting and for different mechanisms in the album. You'll also get a package of little Birdie embossed daisies in this pretty cherry color for Christmas. 10 yards of twine. You will get 2 yards of lipstick red seam binding, these wonderful rusty jingle bells, which are just so cute. I'm trying to think if I'm leaving anything out. Oh, you will also get the Ephemera pack and the chipboards for Farmhouse Christmas. So it's a huge kit, and this album is just wonderful. I've designed this. December is a busy month, and there's a lot of things to remember. So I've designed this to be sort of like a December weekly, not a December daily. I've broken it down into 4 sections. We customized the album so that it works for us. And there are all these wonderful interactive elements. We're going to learn how to build accordion fold slash pockets. We have these really fun pull-out pages where we use the vellum to make these icy looking inserts, which is just so fun. Room for your photos in here, and then journaling on the side, because there's so many things to journal during the holidays, and I left lots of room for great big family photos. There are 16 double-sided pages in this album. The format, I kept it very simple to make and put together so that you can maximize your time with using your photos. We have these adorable little tip-in pages. Room for a great big photo here, another couple of smaller photos over here, and this is held in place with twine. I just tried to think of all the different elements that would lend a cozy homespun feeling to this album. And I think I really accomplished that. I love the way this turned out. To make it easy to put together, all 4 sections follow the same format. So once you've made one section, the next one is faster, and you just get better and better. Lots of great pull-out folios for large photos, room for little journaling inserts, and 3 waterfall pages, each with 5 waterfalls, and then room for a big photo underneath. Here we have these wonderful pockets that we've decorated up. You can put a small photo here, and then these little folios here that you can use for journaling or for photos, and of course you can stick photos in the pocket as well. I love these tabbed pages, and that marks the separation from week 1 to week 2, where we just repeat the same idea. So it's a very easy album to put together because the format flows all the way through. Beautiful colors, beautiful patterns. It's just such a great album. I'm really tickled with the way it turned out, and I think you will really enjoy putting it together as well. One of the things I love the most are these large photo mat pages. You could do 2 4x6 here, or you can do 1 really big 5x7. There are so many wonderful big celebrations during the holidays, trimming the tree, sitting on Santa's lap, all these things that we love that make the holidays so special. I'm going to show you how to maximize your paper with paper piecing tricks. Oh, and look at this cute little pull-out folio here. This is just adorable. How cute is that? Ta-da! So just little touches that make it super special and super fun. And you could write on the back of these tags, you could write just a little note about each day during the week. Keep track of gifts, that sort of thing. Super cute. Anyway, you can see how the album flows together. All the colors and patterns just coordinate beautifully. Here we're going to use these photo tabs that come with the album for you to stick your photos in. So all you have to do is just tuck them under the tabs and you're good to go. So quick look through at everything, all the goodness. You can get this from Button Farm Club. This is their album of the month for their club subscribers, but you can also purchase it as an a la carte item and capture all your holiday memories. So this is Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. You can subscribe to the club and that way you're guaranteed to get the album. And thanks for joining me. I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.